What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you the best promotion codes for the Starpets for the month of October and November for the year of 2024. So make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it, and hit the subscribe button for the channel if you are new to the channel, and make sure that you share this video with your friends as well. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the Google Chrome right over here and click on the search bar and type in Starpets promotion codes 2024 best discounted codes and hit the search button. Once you do it, you will be redirected to the web page of the Google search engine. So here what you have to do is to go and visit this website which says wetrip.com. So this is one of these websites which provides very legitimate and authentic promotion codes. So here you guys can see that the promotion code for the Starpets of the month of October 2024 is right over here. As the date of 30th October 2024, you can use this code Lily, and here you guys can see that it was last reported working 11 minutes ago by the shoppers. And here's the next promotion code is Tom. What you have to do is to click on this copy code button, and your code will be copied and you can simply use it. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.